1988, 1989, 1990.
89.
1967.
Boom! History
Panis. Naya ka-answer ato. High
Channel. Uy,
honor.
kabayo sa koton.
Science and nature.
Okay.
What is the name of the process by which
Adto
plants
nga to household meeting
lose
unya.
water vapor through their leaves? The choices are
Photosynthesis.
transpiration,
Transpiration.
transpiration,
Basa pa siya.
respiration, photosynthesis, or evaporation.
Photosynthesis. Transpiration.
O may answer.
Photosynthesis.
Correct answer. Photosynthesis.
Diba? Ha?
Kinagay mo man pagkaon, sakto mo.
Unsa ang question, Lucas?
Sakto lagi.
Adyo, question ang
Pamati.
Chat
Which
GPT dyan.
part of the brain is responsible for balance and
Juan,
coordination?
Medula.
Correct.
Eh.
What is the
Amen, Medula.
abundant
Diri ka, Bi.
gas in Earth's atmosphere?
Hydrogen.
Nitrogen.
Hydrogen.
Nitrogen.
Part.
Why hydrogen?
Why hydrogen?
Waya.
Sabi
Nitrogen.
ni
Nitrogen.
O may answer.
Carbon dioxide. Nitrogen.
Oh, carbon dioxide.
Lagi.
Wow.
Wala dia.
Adyaw lagi pag
What is the only
Dad,
metal
same
that
exam.
is liquid at room
Mercury.
temperature?
Sakto, Mercury.
Aluminium.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury. Freddie Mercury.
What law states that
Saturday.
energy cannot be created or
Nor
destroyed?
destroyed.
Conservation of matter and energy.
Oh, sakto dyan.
Hey, sus.
What is? Wow, nagbasa pa ni teacher.
Ya patagbasa pa daw ni answer.
100 years of solitude.
Ha? Leonardo del Carmen.
Choices
Choices na.
are Gabriel Garcia Marquez,
Dili.
Marquez.
Mario Vargas Llosa,
Dili.
Nasa dito doon nag-jet
George
nakakita.
Abilino Subiri.
Borg,
Si teacher.
Abilino Subiri.
Dito doon nakakita.
Pablo Neruda.
Pablo Neruda.
Brazilian.
O may answer.
Correct.
Pablo Neruda. Sakto lagi ako.
Number 2, what is the term for a word that reads the
Kusgi?
same forward and backward?
Kuan. Ah!
Anagram, homonym,
Dili.
palindrome.
Palindrome. Palindrome. Tama, no?
Correct.
Oh.
Oh, kami ni Aya correct.
Who
Na.
says a horse, my kingdom for a horse?
Horse,
ha?
Tikbalang.
King Lear, King Lear. King
Or
Lear.
Richard III?
Richard
King Lear.
Dr. Richard.
Correct!
King Lear. Shakespeare. Okay, next.
That literally for what literally gives human
Laway dyan ni
traits
Lucas.
to non-human things.
Okay.
Metaphors,
Sige na.
Simile, sakto. Alliteration.